Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel BRP Trader. So you can see here guys, huge amount of profit has been gained guys by the crypto. You can see here what happened is that guys, I will tell you the behind the logic of Ethereum, how we have traded and how we have got a very huge amount of profits. Okay, you can see here guys, continuously this area has been testing and acting as a resistance. Okay guys, you can see here guys, first time, second time, okay, third time it eventually breaks. I always told you guys that third time it came to test, it will break. Okay guys, that probability is very low, it doesn't break. Okay, that will also happen, but this has been broken. After that it is consolidating guys. It is the best place guys if you have got like this anywhere guys. So you have to see that. You can see here, just I will zoom it so you can get the proper idea. You can see here trend line is coming along. Exactly what happened is, however, this has been broken. Our buying position somewhere here only, I have kept my SL at this green candle low only. Why is that? Because I am so much confident, because this time it is continuously tested and it is breaking this trend line. It means it's going to give us huge amount of profit guys. What happened, within 4 to 5 hours it reaches up till here. I am pretty much sure that it will maybe goes up till more than 15,1560. So what happened, I have holded it out and myself I have kept trailed because of I wanted some of the money. Okay guys, so that's why I have trailed. It is continuously concerning, once again broken. So what happened is that our whatever essential what we have discussed is that 1560 exactly reached. I have booked my whole quantity guys, because I know that the this is much profit is very huge, because our risk is very low guys. So we have got very nice momentum here guys. You can see here guys, once again I will tell you one thing guys. Here you can see here guys, it has been given us breakout from here. So it has been came to testing somewhere here. Once again I have taken somewhere here only. The thing is that one of the upside trade. Okay guys, somewhere I have bought somewhere at this red candle only guys, and I have kept my SL at this green candle low. Okay guys, I have taken small quantity guys, not bigger quantity like this trade we have taken. So exactly one-sided momentum we have been captured guys. You can see that how nicely we have captured the this move guys, from this to this and from this to this guys. Hope you are getting the analysis guys. Okay guys, so we can go for Bitcoin also. I have not traded here, but I am continuously tracking down here too guys. What happened is that you can see here, this is the trend line is coming along. If this is broken, exactly broken and consolidated and goes upside momentum somewhere here, you can see here guys, at this level also it has been respecting, or here you can see here what happened is that somewhere here it has been respected. Okay guys, you can see here, because buyer dominance somewhere here only, so that's why it came up till here guys. Okay guys, in Ethereum I have to tell you one thing here. From here, why it has been turned around guys? Why is that? Because in Bitcoin and Ethereum both are not working as correspondingly, because it is the ideal thing guys, where it can be reversible, or it can be reversible from here. Okay guys, ideally it has to reverse from here only, but in Bitcoin what happened is that it came downside somewhere here only. Buyers are activated, that's why buyers are activated and taking it upside momentum. Okay guys, so now we gonna see how you can trade for this week, how you can made a huge amount of profits in cryptocurrency guys. Okay guys, let's do the analysis for next week, how you gonna trade guys. So guys, we can see how the Ethereum and some of the cryptos works for next week and how you gonna trade. Okay guys, somewhere here you can see that continuously acting as a resistance. Okay guys, what we have to see right now is that you can see here guys, one of the nicest momentum right now only coming along. So if it is broken, and right now it is broken only, okay guys, it will act as resistance, then you have to see that this is the no trading zone guys. Okay guys, this is no trading zone at all. If this is broken, then you can expect your first target guys, and here will be the turnaround will be came. Okay guys, why is that? Because you can see that buyer dominance, that's why it may be happen that it may be goes upside momentum. Our first target will be here, second target, if it may be what I am saying is that it may be consolidate this week only. Okay guys, I'm not expecting huge amount of or huge momentum in this cryptos. Okay guys, so if it will broke this too, okay guys, probability is very high. Okay guys, we have to see the probability that how it works. Okay guys, this will be our first target. If this is broken and taken resistance, it is very low probability guys. Sorry guys, I have told you very high probability. It is very low probability that it will broken and take here resistance and came downside. So our second target will be here, third and final target. Okay guys, instead of it will turn around from here only, and our first target will be here, second target will be we can reach up till here. Okay guys, if we reached here, so if it is broken and take support once again, then our third target will be somewhere here guys. Our fourth target will be the eventually 18,000 guys. Okay guys, this is the huge momentum guys. 18,000 is not less than anything guys. Right now it is working on 16,000 all around. Okay guys, 18,000 up till if it is broken and takes support, then only you have to go. But you can see here guys, it will acting as major resistance area. I will take you at daily time frame. You can see here guys, continuously sellers are coming along, but you can expect at least 18,000 all around is 1770 it may be came along guys. Hope you are getting this analysis guys. Okay guys, we can switch it on a 1 hourly time frame only, and once again I will tell you, if this is the no trading zone guys, this is no trading zone. If it is broken, you can expect your first target guys. If this is broken, very low probability but broken, then our first, second, third target. Okay guys, if it will came somewhere here only and making a bullishness, then you can expect your first target, second target. If this is broken, taken support, your third and fourth and final target. Okay guys, we can see for Bitcoin guys, Bitcoin is pretty much very nice momentum it is making along. But what happened is that you can see that 2 times it already tested its area. Okay guys, just shift to, okay, right now it's 2 times it has been tested. So what we have to see right now, okay guys, somewhere here might be it is getting like a trend line sort of thing. Okay guys, just think it guys, do not apply that it is a trend line only. Okay guys, if it crosses this line guys, so we can expect that it take resistance and came down. Our first target will be here guys, second target. If it will take a resistance, then our third target and fourth and final target. But very high probability that it will turn around from here and goes upside momentum or became a volatile market. Okay guys, if it will consolidate and then broken, then your first target will be here and take support. Then our first target from here to here, first target will be here, second target will be here, third target will be the 22,000 guys. Okay guys, it is a huge momentum guys. Do not miss the crypto market guys, because what I have traded and what I am getting, it is a huge amount of profit guys, because continuously it has been taking a consolidation. I will just hide it. You can see here guys, continuously consolidation only happening. You can see here continuously consolidation from October onwards. Only from this week, whole week, it is fully only on consolidating only. Or you can see here guys, what I am getting here is that I am not traded in this, but here you can see that how nicely it has been trend line has been broken and one-sided momentum we have been got. So you are getting here also we have done analysis, but what happened is that here I will just show you so you can get proper idea. I have told you, if this is broken, you can expect up till here guys. Why? Because here seller has been came. I have told you that too. You can check out that analysis also. You can see that up till here only I have told you. Okay guys, exactly M pattern has been made. You can see that double top has been made and came downside. That's why I have not told you about it guys. Okay guys, hope you have that too. You have traded, but in this you have traded and made a huge amount of money guys. If you want any other analysis, please tell me that you want that analysis, or these money are the analysis what we have. Okay, I will tell you LT USD. Okay guys, so you can get the proper idea about it also. So you wanted to trade in this too, so how you gonna trade and what is the behind its logic, we can discuss that too. You can see here guys, continuously taking resistance, but it broken, came downside, once again going upside. It is the totally a volatile market guys in this crypto. So and this will act as a resistance, guys. Okay guys, you have to properly make your analysis, guys. So market will give you the biggest reward, guys, but you have to do what is that you have to make your analysis correctly. Okay guys, somewhere here to here you can see here this trend line is coming along. If this is huge momentum is coming along, if this is consolidated somewhere here and broken, then take support. It doesn't matter, guys, it will take support or not. I will project whatever this has been happened. So what projection we have to do is that at least 70%, this is 8%, so at least we can go for 8.73, so we can at least go for 6% from here, guys. So 6% will be somewhere here, so something here 6%, at least 61. You can grab up till 61, guys. If consolidate and broken, if take support or not, doesn't matter, it can go up till here, guys. Our second and final target for this week for LTC USD, guys. Okay guys, hope you are getting all the answers, guys. You have any queries, guys, please comment me down and tell me what you have queries. You have getting any doubts, please comment me down. And if I getting that getting common problem for everybody, I will make a special video on that, so you can get the properly about it and you can make a huge amount of money. If I have opened this channel, I will tell you frankly, because I am also a retail trader. I have made a very losses, very much losses, and I have recovered that all, but the fees that I have taken, because that is my hard-earned money and anybody have not guided me about it. I am wanted to guide you your hard-earned money. I don't want to you have to waste that money with this money stock market, guys. This is the simplicity what we are discussing, guys. Hope you are getting. If you have any queries, please comment me down. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much.